Vietnam.
Okay, so now we're at the night market, and this is really picking up. I was here earlier and it was wasn't quite as cool looking as it is now. The lights are coming on and now people are out. When I went through here earlier, not so much, but now. So we're gonna walk all the way down and check it all out, show you what's all around here as well. And just before we get started, this is the entrance of it. So actually that road goes directly north, south, east, west. It's really nice and clear. It's like some nice coffee house straight ahead as well. Okay, so stay tuned and we're going to show you the night market.
Vietnam.
Okay, we have Phu Quoc in Vietnam, and I've had a few up already and I have 10 total, but this particular one is probably one of the best ones so far of all the Phu Quoc because I'm getting into the neon lights and the energy of nighttime in a marketplace. So this is a video if you're into Phu Quoc that you want to share with other people, and you might want to subscribe as well because I got even better ones to Phu Quoc, although this is probably one of the tops of the 10 that I have. So anyways, this is Phu Quoc in Vietnam. This is where we're at in the map. You can see the location on the island, and then you can also see where Phu Quoc is at in Vietnam and in Southeast Asia for that matter. So nonetheless, let's get into it, and we have the nighttime marketplace in Phu Quoc. Let's check it out with my camera lens. Okay, so let's check this out. It's got lots of fruit, fresh fruit, lots of drinks too. Coconut, guava, all kinds. Okay, and I think there's a lot of jewelry here too. I saw some other shops that were kind of based on that too, silver shops. There's one, Pearl. Pearl is the one. So there's a lot of pearl. I saw that earlier. Hello. So this one, let me see. Yeah, I guess the pearl's in the background, and it's written in Russian and Korean. Shinju is a Korean word, I guess, for pearl. And then you got a lot of fresh restaurants. Fresh. Just kind of see how fresh these are. Okay. So we're gonna stroll through here. I see a lot of massage ones too. Body, foot. Hello.
Body massage.
So those are there's a lot of those in this town. I think it's because it's a tourist town. And those are kind of common throughout Southeast Asia. So we'll just kind of check out. Okay. Hello. This looks like corn tortillas. It's potatoes. Potatoes on a stick. Then we got fruit, ice cream. Okay.
You want to try some ice cream, sir?
Just looking. Thank you.
Ice cream, mango, cheese, mango.
Oh, speaking in Korean as well. So these are the fresh seafoods. So I think here I'll see different languages, so more fresh fruit. Squid, shrimp, and then for some reason there's a lot of pearls. I've been seeing that theme everywhere. Pearl necklaces, pearl everything. I have no idea how those would cost. Yeah, it seems like there's a lot of Korean people here and Russian, based on the signs.
Hello. Ice cream, sir. Ice cream, mango.
Oh, ice cream.
Yeah, good. One.
It's okay. Thank you. So the market is, this one is kind of listed as a tourist site. Hello. How are you? So this one is, night market is listed as a tourist site, so hello. Hello. Thank you. So they got clothing and lots of food choices. So a lot of ice cream. The lighting is just about right too. Okay, so we're gonna walk down that way in a minute. And then this one looks like it's just cafes, I guess. And you can see the boats. I think when we get to the end, you'll see all the boats because I saw those earlier. So on this side, it's bordered to the boats. So you'll see a lot of fish restaurants, and the boats and the fish should be very fresh. Is that Phu Quoc? A lot of fish. Okay. Yeah, actually, I hear a lot of Korean. So I hear a lot of Korean, and I see a lot of the Korean script, which I think is pretty common. I saw that in Da Nang too. It's a lot of Korean everywhere. And a lot of Vietnamese, of course.
Hello sir, con tôi chấp nghe sir.
Hello. Let's see. Hello.
How are you?
Very good. Okay, so we got more pearls.
Hello, my friend.
Hello, how are you?
How are you today?
I'm very good. Got fresh, everything. Fresh fruits. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking. Lots of t-shirt shops. A lot of ice cream, Thailand ice cream rolls in particular. Don't know why that's so popular. For shops. Hello.
Welcome sir.
Thank you. Okay, let me see. Coconut. Very fresh.
Hello, sir.
Hello, how are you?
Thank you. Would you like to ring us about Riverside?
Thank you.
Yeah. Maybe later.
Okay. Thank you.
Menu the festival seafood over there.
Okay.
Food.
Sounds good.
We bound number 1.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So let me see. Hello. Thank you.
Wow.
You like it?
Wow. Hello chị.
So it looks like this market actually goes in a little bit. Got that coffee shop. Okay. You got some places to sit as well. So I think the main goal here is to get seafood by the ocean. So it'll be interesting to see how the markets look different when I go to different spots. Hello. Okay. Lots of pearls. And on the other side of the people, you can see some boats. I don't want to shine the camera on people eating, so. But if I get a spot, I'll take a look. I know I will at the end. This seems to be kind of popular. Oh, salted caramel as well. Hello. Thank you. Come on. So, okay. Hello. Thank you. Okay, so we're gonna. I think the ending is straight ahead. Another pearl shop. So pearls are definitely a theme here.
Hello, you can try.
Hello. Thank you. Okay, so let me see. Hello. So we go a little bit further. So yeah, it's actually kind of the perfect time to be filming because now you can see the boats all the way over there. So I think I'll try to catch the boats from a different point of view. I think at the end there's going to be a big bridge. We'll go up to the bridge and take a look and see. Hello. Lots of pearls. Oh, 80K. Myrtle candy.
How do I do massage? This guy, excuse me, you want a massage?
Places to sit. They get some kind of tasty looking bread. Hello. Bread, garlic, salt and chili. Oh, okay. Oh, that one's that one. Oh, okay. Okay. That bread looks kind of tasty. Hello. Got some sugar cane here. Hello. Hello. It's tasty as well. Okay, so we're gonna go all the way through the market, and then I'll probably stop maybe in one of these chairs on the side and. Hello. Hello. So we're gonna come up to the other side in a minute. I do want to see these ships. But if we can't, I don't want to go into the business because they'll kind of give me some pressure. I think that's wrong. Okay. So we're gonna come out to the end, and it looks like we have some. Hello. Thank you. Okay, so we're gonna go just a little bit further, and I'm going to end this one. And there's the sign, and I think I can just look down. So we'll do that in a second, and I'll show you the boats from that bridge that's straight ahead. So that was a night market we just walked through. Here's all the boats on the sides. They're not lit up like the night market is, so I don't know if that'll look as good. But this bridge goes over the river, of course, or over the peninsula or bay, and you can actually see the ocean over on that side too, straight ahead. Anyways, that's the night market, and then right down there is where all the fishing boats are at. Okay, so that's all the night market right there, and it's a little bit dark. Looks like we're gonna get some rain, so I'm gonna get off this bridge, and it looks like people are stopping to put on their rain gear as well. Anyways, that'll probably be the last one for tonight for Phu Quoc, and then I'll get started in the morning with some new videos. Phu Quoc night market. And in case you're curious, I came back over here and I got this. Looks really tasty. So they got butter in here, and they also have like seaweed and pork. So it's going to taste really good with this Coke. And this is the stand that it's at. So we're just going to sit and enjoy in this space.